So therapeutics is not just one approach, of course. It's small molecules, it's gene therapy, it's cell therapy, it's biologics. I think the challenges for each disease where you're trying to come up with something that's going to work, figure out which of those is your most likely pathway towards success. The gene therapy advances that have happened in the last couple of years for things like immunodeficiencies and this eye disease, Leber's amaurosis, have been breathtaking. And certainly see gene therapy after a pretty tumultuous couple of decades beginning to find some really exciting target diseases to make real progress. The cell therapies, again, we don't quite know yet how powerful they're going to be when you're talking about, for instance, iPS cells. But it would be hard not to be excited about the potential of taking your own skin cells and turning them into what you might need for Parkinson's disease or diabetes or a spinal cord injury. So I think the moment is right for investments in all of those areas in a thoughtful way, but making sure that the people who have the ideas also have the resources to go forward.
What is the state of human patient participation in early phase trials? Is that where it needs to be, or?
It is in some places. I mean, if you look at pediatric cancer, for instance, most kids with pediatric cancer are in a clinical trial as part of their treatment. If you look at adult cancer, on the other hand, we're nowhere near that. It's more like 2 or 3%. So we clearly have to work harder to make clinical trials available to people who are interested in participating. I think we've come quite a ways there, particularly with something like clinicaltrials.gov, a website that is a clearinghouse for all of these, where anybody interested can go and find out what trials are currently available and how could they enroll if they're interested. And that has increased participation, but obviously more would be better.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'll be in touch.